These days, it's not enough for a sports car to look great and go fast. It also has to be efficient and technologically savvy. The all-new 2010 Camaro was created to meet that mission. An amazing 304 horsepower and an EPA estimated 29 miles per gallon highway. That's the output of Camaro's 3.6-liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. An available 6-speed automatic transmission equipped with steering wheel mounted tap shift controls allows clutchless manual shifting for power when you need it. Then there's a 6.2-liter V8 engine in the Camaro SS that makes apologies to no one. Start with the seats. Always a good barometer of quality and attention to detail in any car. The deep dish steering wheel is purposeful. 2 boldly lit gauges flank a helpful driver information center display. A low-mounted 4-pack of auxiliary gauges, standard on 2LT and 2SS, look cool, but also give you instant feedback. The all-new 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. When you see it, you'll know it's got the magic, the look, the soul. At Mile 1 Heritage Chevrolet Buick, you'll find the selection and value you'd expect and the customer service you deserve. In 3 easy steps: browse, research, buy. Right from our website or stop by our location today. Mile 1 Heritage Chevrolet Buick. We're conveniently located at 11234 Reisterstown Road in Owings Mills. Mile1.com. Everything automotive.